Take command of the road in the 2015 GMC Sierra 3500 HD. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the powerful 8-cylinder engine. And for added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. 4-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. It includes power seats, front and rear reading lights, a built-in garage door transmitter, fully automatic headlights, a trailer hitch, and one-touch window functionality. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Power-adjustable pedals allow the driver to optimize his or her driving position, enhancing visibility, comfort, and safety. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. Come on in and take a test drive.